welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Ashimary here once again, same packaging as usual. So let's get into the unboxing of what we got today. So first, I'm seeing the wig as usual, and then there were a few goodies. I got this white tooth comb and a bag filled with goodies. This had a pair of wig caps, some lash clusters. I really love those. You could get a really nice natural looking set with that. And then I got the information booklet, also got some lace tapes, and I got a branded Ashimary elastic headband, also a comb, perfect for using on your edges. And then we got the wig of the day. This is 22 inches long, it's 250% in density, and this is one of their pull and go glueless wigs. This has a drawstring in the cap. It's 22 inches. As I said, it is so silky and smooth and soft. This comes fully pre-styled and pre-customized for you, so you could literally just go ahead and drag it on like you see me doing here. Pull that drawstring to adjust it to how tight you want it to be on your head so it is secure. I love a wig that has a drawstring within the cap construction because it makes it 10 times easier and more convenient to wear, especially if you're a beginner or somebody who has to always be on the run, but you have to look presentable, or you just enjoy looking presentable and cute. It did come with these lace tapes on the side portion because it is a 13x6 lace front. Okay, it's not a closure wig, it's a lace front wig, but so convenient. I know sometimes people will shy away from the lace fronts because the ear portion can be more challenging to stay put to the sides of the head, but with the lace tapes here, it makes it so easy. If you don't have lace tapes, you can feel free to just go ahead and use melting spray. It will work just as good. And the lace quality, can we talk about how melted that lace looks? Absolutely no product. What? I mean, guys, it's summertime, and I know how annoying it can be at times to be thinking that, okay, you want a cute wig look or so, but you don't want to have to be worrying about, your glue not holding up, or, whatever reason, or you just don't want to be confined to a wig for that long. So lace tapes like this, they do come in clutch. Having a natural high quality lace like this one definitely makes life even more easy. So I was just removing the blue portion from the tape here. Yes, it was giving me a little bit of, but it came off eventually. You could use tweezers to pull off the blue portion if you need to just speed it up, but yeah.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let.
Once I was done with just sticking the sides down, I went ahead and any portion you feel like you want to melt down more, have more camouflaged to your skin tone, feel free to go in with your face powder, or sometimes I use a powder darker than my actual face powder. This will help to give you a more seamless blend if it is that you need to make any portion of the lace a little bit more of your skin tone. So that's a quick fix right there for that. But as for everything else, it looks so good. Now, if you want, you could go ahead and just wear the wig like this, okay? Now, because the wig was in a box, it's understandable that bank portions might lose their form a bit. So don't be afraid to go in and fix that if you must. Like, you see that the curl there was not really as emphasized because it was packaged in the box. But for the most part, the wig still hold the curls nicely, and it's so full. No weird smells, by the way. I was so excited. No, I was so excited for real. So this is a complete pull on and go type of wig. You don't have any time and you're going to a very important function. Yeah, you're gonna look like $1,000,000 with this. But I did go in as a perfectionist that I am, and I just fixed that little bang portion there. Nothing crazy. I use an automatic curler to even make life 10 times easier. So if you don't know how to use our curl here, you could get yourself an automatic curler to make life much easier. But that's all I had to do in terms of styling. And then you could feel free if you want to switch your look up and not have to just wear the hair down. You could do a quick updo like I'm doing here. I just took my claw clip and put it up in the back, and that looked so cute, like so easy. There's no effort to this type of look at all. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That is it for today's wig look. Ashimary it on this wig. It is flawless, worth every penny, and the fact that you don't have to braid a bang to look like $1,000,000. Yes, please. I went ahead and I linked this in my description box, so if you want it, that's where you can find it. All specifications will be listed, and that's it for today's wig look. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumb up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.